All right, so appositive commas, right? Commas that are surrounding things, generally like names or titles, right? So we want to check appositive commas by seeing, like, could we cross off with commas and what's in between, and would we have surrounding this basically a sentence, that full sentence? That sounds fine, right? So one thing I want to tell you to do is kind of edit down sentences, right? So especially when you have multiple commas in them, right? That's usually what makes commas trickier. So what we have here is like, despite numerous warnings to stay out of the ocean, comma. This is just a dependent clause in the beginning, so let's immediately get rid of it. Right? It's not going to have an effect on, like, our, remember, dependent clauses can be eliminated from a sentence. This also is a dependent clause, comma, resulting in a fatal wipeout, right? So, like, get rid of these dependent clauses. We want to be, like, finding our independent clause. So let's look at answer choice A. We would have professional surfer Mark Fu decided to enter the water at Half Moon Bay. That sounds pretty fine, right? B, we'd have, ocean, all right, so, and actually remember how we got rid of these dependent clauses? Literally get rid of them in here too if you can, right? Okay, so B would be professional surfer, comma, Mark Fu, comma, right? So could we take out Mark Fu? If we said professional surfer decided to enter the water, we can't say professional surfer decided to enter the water. If it was like a professional surfer decided to enter the water, that would be one thing, but professional surfer decided to do this does not sound good. B, professional surfer, comma, and then Mark Fu decided to enter the water, right? We wouldn't want to just put a comma between the title and his name. Again, we either want commas around the name or no commas, so C is going to be gone. And D would be professional surfer Mark Fu, comma, decided to enter the water. And then if you did this, your subject would be right here, and your verb would be right here. And again, you would not have an independent clause because your subject would be on the left and your verb would be on the right, and that's not good. We'd need, like, he decided to enter the water, right? So D is gone, and we'd be left with answer choice A. So we don't want to put commas around that name at all because we couldn't just take the name out of the sentence.